Let's be honest, easy digital download statistics are a mess. You see the numbers, but you don't see the story. Google Analytics aren't much better. There's a ton of statistics and data, but it's convoluted and more than you need. Let's fix all of this with AnalyticsWP. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use AnalyticsWP with easy digital downloads to see the real story behind every sale, every cart abandonment, and every user journey. My name's Kevin. Let's start this journey. There's no setup, just install and activate AnalyticsWP and you're good to go. The Easy Digital Downloads integration is automatically activated and Analytics will instantly start recording. All of the data that AnalyticsWP collects is stored within WordPress, so you own all of it. Now, let's take a look at journeys, and this is where AnalyticsWP blows everything else out of the water. Customer journeys show you the complete path from the first visit to purchase or abandonment. At the top of our chart, you get the conversion rate, which means you see how well your site is really doing. Green means conversion, blue means a logged in user journey who didn't make a purchase, and the anonymous user is where you can see users who visited your site but never made a purchase. These anonymous journeys can be very insightful into seeing where a user went on your site and why they left without ever making a purchase. And now let's go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty and take a look at an actual customer journey. Here's what actually happened with a real customer. They landed from a Facebook ad, browsed 3 different products, added one to their cart, left the site, came back the next day, and finally bought our product. Now let's get into the next part of the EDD integration. With AnalyticsWP, you'll find 2 new columns in your EDD order page. We'll go over the AnalyticsWP source column first. This column tells you exactly where each sale came from: Google, Facebook, email, affiliate, or direct traffic. Whatever it is, you'll find it here. You'll also be able to see the UTM data from the referrer there as well. If you have multiple referrers, you'll see that too. And you can always use the query back on the AnalyticsWP dashboard to further understand which referrers rock your site the most. And in the second column is the View Journey option, which you can then click and see the user's entire journey for that conversion. Now, all of this is great, but what if you want more? There's always got to be more, right? Yes, there is. AnalyticsWP includes a developer API so that you can create your own events. Really, maybe you want to track when someone watches a demo video, downloads a free sample, or scrolls to your pricing section. The developer API can do all of it. And to make it even better, AnalyticsWP works with most page builders, so the integrations are built right in, and you may not need to use the developer API at all. If your current builder or theme doesn't have support for AnalyticsWP, adding some JavaScript to your page with your custom event is pretty simple too. We recommend WPCodeBox, which is the fastest and easiest code snippets plugin out there. Let's head over to AnalyticsWP and we'll check out some of the statistics that it provides. Let's start with the dashboard. This is your command center in AnalyticsWP. Everything you need to know about your store's performance is visible on this page at a glance. You'll see unique visitors, total page views, views per person, and Windows shoppers rate all in a convenient chart. Change the date range to see how your store performs over different periods. Maybe you want to compare this month to last month, or you want to see how a recent marketing campaign performed. Then we have queries. Queries allow you to filter events by referrer, device type, UTM tags, and more. If you scroll down below the dashboard, you'll find some other nifty statistics, such as popular referrers, popular pages, and device breakdown. Expand any one of these to get a little more insight into your store. Now, if you'd like to follow along with users as they view your site, you can do that with live events. When a user is on your site, you'll see various events that are happening. At the bottom left of each event is a unique ID, so you can track various anonymous users easily. With live events, you can even see what a current user has within their cart. So you've got all these great analytics now, and you should now be able to understand how to make your site better, how to improve it, and how to convert your visitors to purchasing your digital products.